Hi there, this is the new key fob for the Ferrari Roma. And I'm going to show you how to change the battery. Here's what you need. One of the 2032 batteries, and there's a tool that comes with the car, or you could use a small screwdriver like this. I'll put a link below in the description to everything I've used here. So basically, here's what the key fob looks like. There's also another version where you can put a different face on this, a little bit flashier. So I'm going to show you what you need to do. First thing you need to do is these 4 screws need to come out. And you can either use a little small screwdriver like this or the one that comes with the car. And this is also the same process for switching out this cover here. Okay, so once you have that off, this comes right off. This is the battery cover here. You can see it has the Ferrari emblem on it. Go ahead and peel that off. There's your 2032 battery. You can remove it right here. Put your screwdriver right there, it pops right out. Take the old one out, put your new one in, positive side facing up. Replace this guy. Put this back on and screw these 4 screws back in. That's all you need to do. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you liked it. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.